Hello friends, this is Charu Jain. Welcome to my YouTube channel DPSC Learners. So in this video, we will talk about speech on Diwali for online classes. You can give the introduction about Diwali to the students in your online classes as well. So let's begin. Diwali is referred to as the festival of lights. The excitement is understandable as all of the children and adults look forward to this wonderful festival with great eagerness and anticipation. We can not only get away from our normal worldly routine, but we can also reconnect with friends and relatives we haven't seen in a long time. The Ganesha and Lakshmi Puja, which is performed for all the gods and goddesses for blessings, prosperity, and riches, is the most special of all. We all feel blissful and happy as the whole atmosphere becomes energized and charged. We have all heard various versions of Diwali stories from our ancestors, and each household has its own version. Some of our families believe it commemorates the victory of good over evil, while others believe it honors Lakshmi, the goddess of riches, and Ganesha, the god of knowledge. Diwali commemorates Lord Rama's, Sita's, and Lakshman's return to their ancestral home of Ayodhya after a 14-year exile, according to the Hindu epic Ramayana. Some people commemorate the return of the Pandavas to their kingdom after 12 years of exile and 1 year of Agyatwas according to the Hindu epic Mahabharata. It is also believed that it began to be celebrated when goddess Lakshmi was born after the gods and demons churned the ocean. In the west and some northern parts of India, Diwali also marks the beginning of a new Hindu year. The Sikh faith commemorates this day by lighting the Golden Temple in honor of their various gurus. It is observed by followers of the Jain faith to commemorate Mahavira's attainment of nirvana and enlightenment. As a result, India is a diverse society and different religions have different perspectives on various festivals. The Diwali celebrations last for 5 days in total. It requires a variety of arrangements and rituals that must be carried out by people. People lit candles in their homes and decorated them with rangolis and beautiful flowers. In their homes, women cook a variety of foods and invite relatives and neighbors to dinner. Kids, on the other hand, celebrate the festival by lighting firecrackers in the evening. On this day, the lights represent the triumph of reality and light over darkness. This day encourages us to stay away from bad habits and do good deeds, as well as to stay on the right track in order to live a happier life. Special ceremonies and customs are observed on this day. On the main Diwali, they perform puja with many rituals. Lord Rama is regarded by Hindus as a sign of purity and truthfulness. Diwali, according to them, takes us closer to our loved ones. Thank you.